Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Sometimes it can be inconvenient when you know you need some care for your muscles, and that's where this TENS EMS unit from AUVON comes in. This thing is great. I've had other TENS and EMS units over the years, and this is by far the nicest one that I've seen and been able to use so far. One thing I noticed about it right away was when I opened the packaging, it comes with a nice kit to store it. The little units, the little pads for each thing were sealed. So I know I'm the first one to get into them, so it's nice and hygienic. The other thing that I noticed is the quick guide or the manual for it was very informative. Some of the other units that I've had basically like a folded piece of paper. This had a very detailed, it has diagrams, pictures if you're looking to target a particular area, and it's got 4 ports so you can work different areas of the body all at the same time. The buttons are all clearly marked for different areas of your body, so if you don't feel like going through the manual, you can quickly kind of get what you need. Also, the display shows really nice. It's clear. It shows you the strength, the different channels, the different areas of the body that you're targeting. When you're touching the buttons, it also lights up. And also, each cord has a little Velcro tie that's attached to it, because these cords are notorious for getting tangled up, and now you got to spend time untangling them. Well, it stays nice and organized. So that's what I liked about this AUVON TENS EMS unit, and that's my point of view.